The new Blizzard series is the first bagless vacuum cleaner from Miele. Its monocyclic technology allows Miele to separate fine dirt differently than any other vacuum, thus making the emptying process much easier. Comes with a life Gore filter that can self-clean itself, ensuring maximum suction power. The Blizzard vacuum cleans powerfully with a 1,200-watt Miele-Made Vortex motor and an airflow up to 62 plus miles per hour. The aerodynamic airflow and specially designed floorhead achieve world-class cleaning performance. The suction power can easily be adjusted to the surface being cleaned with the 4-setting rotary dial located on the vacuum. The usage of the rotary dial enables optimal cleaning results. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. This powerful but quiet German-engineered Bagless Canister vacuum has an Electro Brush Floorhead with a 5-level height adjustment that can adapt to all different carpet heights, ranging from the low-high pile. Simply step on the lever located on the Electro Brush to adjust the setting. Number 2. Powerful Vortex technology provides the deepest clean possible. Switch from 4 different suction power settings specific to the surface being cleaned via rotary dial. Number 3. The maintenance-free HEPA Lifetime Filter and Gore Clean Stream Fine Dust Filter ensure top-notch filtration with click-to open hygienic emptying. You do not have to worry about that cloud of fine dust particles coming back up into the air when emptying the dustbin. Number 4. Standard accessories include SEB 228 Electro Plus Floorhead, SBB 300-3 Parquet Twister Floorhead, Dusting Brush, Upholstery Tool, and Crevice Tool. Number 5. Additional Handheld Turbo Brush accessory included. Great for vacuuming pet hair from Upholstery, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does the Electro Power Brush clean the low-pile carpet better than the Turbo Brush? Answer. The Turbo Brush works best on low-cut pile carpets. It is air-driven and the floating roller brush will adjust on the carpet height. The Electro Power Brush is electronically driven with a 5-level height adjustment suitable for low to the high pile and plush carpets. This would be suitable if you have multiple styles of flooring in your home because you can turn the brush roll off. The Turbo Brush will work, but the Electro Power Brush will deep clean your carpet better. Question number 2. Where are the CX1 really made? Answer. Our inventory is made in Germany. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.